Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting in the Google app. Open it now and tap your profile photo in the top right. Once done, choose Search History to view recent queries. You need to get into your account controls because that's where Google stores web and app activity. Make sure you're signed into the correct account. If not, switch accounts now. This step gives you access to deletion controls so you can remove specific queries or open the delete options for broader clearing. Now decide what to remove. Tap Delete and choose a time range such as last hour, last day, all time, or a custom range. If you want ongoing cleanup, enable Auto Delete and pick 3 months, 18 months, or 36 months. This prevents buildup. After selecting, tap Delete and confirm the action. The app will remove those queries from your Google activity. If you searched via Safari instead, go to iPhone Settings, select Safari, then clear History and Website Data to wipe searches saved by the finish by visiting My Activity to confirm the items are gone. Sign out and sign back in if the list still appears to force a refresh. If you don't want Google to save future searches, turn off web and app activity in your account settings. This prevents new entries. Troubleshooting tip: if deletions fail, update the Google app, ensure you deleted data for the correct account, and retry. If problems persist, clear the app cache or remove.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.